In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your N26 virtual card. So if you make a lot of shopping online, you will need the virtual card feature. What you need to do first will be to log into your N26 application and scroll to the bottom of your screen where you can find cards. You can click on the card option and you would find transparent. You can click on that, and once you click on this, you would find your virtual card. Now, if you intend to make a payment online, you will click on the show card details button, and it's going to ask you to verify either through a PIN, or if you have activated Face ID on your phone, you can use that and you will find your card details and you can use it to make payment. So copy your card details from here and head over to the app where you want to make a payment to, and that is how you can simply use your N26 virtual card. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.